This is Isaac Bouchard with Bespoke Autos, and today we are featuring one of the most amazing and rare vehicles we've ever had on. This is an ICON FJ44. This is one of the most extreme and well-built resto mods ever created. The parts that are original are part of the frame and the headlight surround. Everything else on it is made by hand or fully custom fabrication. This is an aluminum body that's made by hand, and it's finished in Teflon powder coat. Everything inside is either custom or spec to the highest standards, from the upgraded Chilowith interior to the Learjet visors to the handmade knobs to you name it. Everything here is either the best or they make it in-house. Underneath is a fully custom suspension, 4-link in the rear with over 12 inches of travel at both ends. This vehicle has the upgraded sport suspension featuring Fox remote reservoir dampers and the upgraded Brembo brake package. It's finished in the new school style, and what Jonathan Ward, the owner of ICON, means by that is that the aesthetic is fully contemporary. Powertrain for this is the Gen 4 6.2 liter V8 engine, 430 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. It's hooked to a 4L65 transmission. It's got Dana 60 axles front and rear, fully locking, and an Atlas II transfer case. There is basically nothing that this ICON cannot handle, all the while doing it in style.